Okay, so let's get started. So this is going to be just a basic question about derivatives. So for this first one, we want to first put it into a form that we can derive. So I'm going to be deriving dy over dx is equal to, now if I take this from the bottom and put it up the top, it will become sine x to the power of -1. And we'll be deriving that with respect to x. So here it's inside of the bracket, which means I need to apply a chain rule. So the derivative of the inside of the bracket will become cos x multiplied by the derivative of the outside of the bracket. And then I can put sine x back in. Okay, and so I end up with dy over dx is equal to this. And now I can simplify it. So that coefficient is going to come to the front, minus cos x, sine x to the power of -2 is equal to dy over dx. Or if I wanted to express this all with positive powers, I could show it as dy over dx is equal to minus cos x over sine squared x. Remember, if we've got that squared above there, that's really like saying sine x to the power of 2 like that. But we can show it with our trig functions like this. Okay, so for the next question, we're going to express our answer in factorized forms. Okay, so we want dy over dx for our equation. D over dx is equal to x squared times e minus x. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying product rule. So I'm going to assign this one as u and this one as v. So u equals x squared, du over dx is equal to 2x, v equals e minus x, dv over dx is equal to minus e minus x. Okay, so now I'm ready to chuck this all into our product rule. Now I'm going to state the product rule first is equal to u times dv over dx plus v du over dx. And now I'm just going to substitute in. That's going to give me x squared times minus e minus x plus e minus x times 2x. Now I can see already that I've got terms with e's in there and I've got terms with x's. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to expand it out before I look for my like terms. Now I can see that they both share this on the end, and I can see they've both got a term with x in there. So I can take an x out the front and I can take e minus x out the front. Now if I divide this term by that, I'm going to get minus x. And if I divide this term by that, I'm going to get 2. So that is it in factorized form.